more and more incredible, super talented.
So it's day 11 right now of my challenge of drinking 1 gallon of water for 14 days. I just finished cleaning my bike. Nothing fancy or nothing extravagant talaga is happening in terms of this habit. It's now automatic in my system. I lessen talaga my coffee intake to maximum of 3 cups. When I started, I was really skeptical. I don't think enough of the benefits of drinking water, and right now that it's on my 11th day, ako na yung nagiging teacher or proponent of this idea that if you have problems, especially hydration issue, if it's pointing to hydration issue, ako na yung nagiging evangelizer that, hey guys, why not just drink water? Ang funny lang kasi I started from not drinking water to now telling people to drink water. That's the most that I can say for day 11.